Hi, Mary from Reviewer's Diary. I'm keeping my voice low because the puppy's asleep, and I'm coming to you from my family room. I do have this freaking cast on, I'm hoping that he'll put me in the surgical walking boot that he gave me before the surgery afterward, because I can't even get upstairs. I can't put my face over the sink to rinse. It's like I'm very frustrated, and I'm trapped down here sleeping on the couch. So yeah, it kind of sucks. This is the first day. It hurts right now because I have my foot down. But I was only supposed to keep it above my heart for 3 days, which I was very compliant with. I'm a good patient. I always listen. But yeah, it hurts now, but not as bad as it did. It really felt like someone stabbed me in the foot before. And I was on Percocet and Advil, which then made me sick. I can't wait for this cast to be off, and I'll keep you guys updated. I have been working on a video for HelloFresh and Blue Apron. I am expecting the Allure Beauty Box to come soon. It usually comes right after my Birchbox, both of which I am subscribed for 1 year. I believe this might be Birchbox number 8, but I'm not sure. I will put the number I've gotten so far. I already told them not to renew me when the year came, because I don't believe it's a box that's worth the money. So, and that, just in case you're wondering, that's my reacher. On my first day post-op, it was out of my reach. Ironic. I couldn't reach my reacher. But anyway, I'm going to get on with this Birchbox. I'm not happy. I can tell you that right now. I'm just not happy. This time what I did is I chose one item, the Kiehl's Vitamin C under eye cream, and I should have chosen nothing, but that was the other option. I could have gotten a curated box, but truthfully none of the curated boxes appealed to me, and so I picked one item. Okay, so today I embrace what makes me beautifully unique and beautifully me. Well, I'm not looking too beautiful right now or feeling real beautiful right now because I'm literally in my pajamas. I did just wash up, and so now I'm like all hot and sweaty, but yeah, I'm not thrilled. I can't tell. This is too light to be full size. There are 5 items in this box, and there really should have been 6, because this is the first time I've ever gotten a box that had only 5 items in it. I think the Davines hair butter. Oh wow, awesome. Do you find when you get stuff the caps are always loose? Anyway, the cap was a little bit loose there. I believe this might be travel size. I don't think it's full size, but it's definitely not sample. Let me open that since the cap was loose and just see if there's a seal. And if not, I'll let you know how it smells. Well, it had no seal, and it all was off to the side because the box was on its side, but it's still pretty full. It doesn't smell great. It smells like pomade, but it doesn't smell great. I have to read more about this product. I'll look at the card and see exactly what this is for. Yeah, this is a pretty big size. It's 2.64 ounces. And according to the card, nourish and restore hair with this hair treatment. Apply to damp hair. Leave on 5 to 10 minutes, depending on your hair texture. Mine will be a full 10 minutes. Rinse to reveal softer, more luminous hair. So it's basically a hair mask. I do really like the Davines brand, and I definitely like hair masks because my hair, although it looks kind of smoothish in my videos, it's really unmanageable, difficult, crazy, frizzy, crazy hair. So anyway, I think this is probably just travel sized. The next thing is a ModelCo Instant Brows eyebrow thing, and it's in light to medium, which is good because, you know, that's me. So yeah, I got the camera wandering all over the place. So I think this might be full size, but I'm not sure. I will have to go on the website. It's 30 grams. It says retractable brow pencil. Let's take a look at that. I think this might be full size. I'm not sure. It has a spoolie on one end, and it has a angled pencil thing on the other end. I'm not going to open it and have it come out because a lot of times if it is a sample, it won't go back in. So, but it's pretty good. It's a good color for me for sure. So it's like a taupe color. So yeah, I do like this. I am very happy with this, and if this is full size, then this will redeem the entire box for me. Okay, and here are the last 3 items. I did get this Touch and Soul Pretty Filter. It's that glass skin stuff, which I've wanted very much to try. A full size is $32. This is, shoot. Let me see if I can get this a little closer and see. This is 0.16 ounces. Crazy. Crazy small, but enough for me to try. $32 is not prohibitive, so I would buy that. This Marcel Bb Cream, oops, I have this already. In Golden Glow, it is, let's see, 0.24 ounces. Yeah, it's the one that I have feels a little too dark, so I might try this one rather than trade it since I already own the full size. The full size I have is pretty old. And then the Kiehl's Powerful Strength, Line Reducing, and Dark Circle Diminishing Vitamin C Eye Serum. Now, the only reason that I got this is because it's vitamin C eye serum. I don't know that it's really going to do anything. It's 0.1 fluid ounces or 3 mLs, which is a tiny, tiny amount. But for your eyes, you don't usually need much. So those are the 3 small tubes that I got. And of course I got the eyebrow and the hair butter. Let me know what you got in your box, because one good thing about Birchbox, it's kind of like Ipsy Bag. Everybody gets something a little bit different. So anyway, I also got a couple things from Influencer, but I can't do those until I can get upstairs, because I left one of the items upstairs, and so I got 2 things from Influencer, and you have to say certain language when you show them, and I don't know what it is at this point. I will have to look it up. But I also left one of those items upstairs. So, and I'm trapped down here. I'll find out on Friday whether I can walk or not, or lightly toe touch, because then I can get out of this wheelchair and get upstairs. It'd be nice to sleep in my own bed. Currently, this is where I'm sleeping. And my dog sleeps with me every night, and that blanket over there is the blanket that I grab with my grabber and bring over. It's kind of pitiful, isn't it? All my stuff is on that little tiny table, with the exception of my computer and other stuff. I started reading the Bible again, so I have my Bible here, and trying really hard to read this book, which is due, and is the first book in my reading challenge, but I've been in too much pain with this foot. I'm hoping tonight I can get quite a bit more reading done, because I'm already in about 25-30 pages. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video. When the Allure box is, no matter where I am, I will also do an unboxing of that. But I do kind of like this box, so I hated it when I first opened it and I saw 5 items. I was like, what? And then I realized, well, they're pretty good size. So anyway, thank you very much for watching. This has been Mary with Reviewer's Diary, and have a beautiful evening. Good night.